Hello and welcome, Streamer here. Quite often your Fire Stick may work slow, in fact way slower than you'd expect it to. There are quite a lot of reasons why your Fire Stick may be buffering or not loading things when you're trying to watch series or movies or just even browsing YouTube. So today we're going to take a look at the best and easiest and of course fastest ways on how to speed up an Amazon Fire TV Stick. So first thing you want to do is restart your Amazon Fire TV Stick. It's the easiest way to speed up it, and quite often it really helps. So to restart an Amazon Fire TV Stick, hold down your home button, go to settings, then go to My Fire TV and press on restart. While it's restarting, make sure to hit the like button on this video and of course subscribe my channel for more tutorials on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. However, restarting doesn't always help. There's a chance that your Fire Stick is still going to work slow because there are more reasons behind it. So one more thing you want to do is clear the cache of your apps. To do so, once again, hold down your home button, go to settings, now select applications, manage installed apps, and then go through your most frequently used apps and basically select them and press on clear cache. Because usually Fire Stick stores cache of many apps, so why Fire Stick stores cache is to load faster when you are enabling the apps. However, the processes basically don't work that great. Quite often Fire Stick starts to store way more cache than it can handle, and then it starts to buffer, stutter, overheat, and so on. So just go through all the apps that you use, select them, and press on clear cache. So that was the second way on how to make your Amazon Fire TV work faster. Another reason why your Fire Stick might be slow is because there is basically not enough storage in your Fire Stick. By default, Fire Stick has like a little bit more than 5 GB of space available. That's really not much. Most likely your mobile phone has at least 64 GB, sometimes even up to 1024 GB. So as you can see, 5 GB is not much. But well, we gotta work with what we have. So go to settings, applications, manage installed apps, and here on the right side you'll see internal space. So as you can see, I have 5.3 GB available. Out of 5.3, the 2.6 are taken. So basically I've already used up half of my space, but I don't really have too many apps here on my Amazon Fire TV Stick. What you can do is of course delete the apps that you do not really use. To do so, select an app that you're not using and either select it here, press uninstall and confirm. Then it's going to delete the application from your device. But also there is a bit faster way. Basically, just press on that little button here and then press confirm. That's another way of deleting the application. After you delete all the not used apps, go back a bit and you will see if your situation with internal space has improved. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend on having too many apps because Firestick is known to have not a great CPU, so it can't really handle it. Instead, have like 50, 60, maybe 70% filled in Firestick, then it's going to work way better than if you filled up to 100%. One more thing you absolutely should do when using a Firestick is of course updating it, because updates come out quite frequently. Usually they add new features and even upgrade your performance. So let's go to settings and check if you have the newest version of Fire TV OS installed. So press on the home button once again, go to settings, then go My Fire TV, about, and check for updates. Then it's going to check if there are any updates that need to be made. As you can see on the right side, it says your Fire TV is up to date, but in your case it might say that an update is needed. And updates are usually quite useful, so make sure to update your Fire Stick and use the newest version of Fire OS. However, there are also some features on your Amazon Fire TV Stick that you do not really use or even need, but they are always working, and of course taking use of your Amazon Fire TV Stick's processor, which is not great, and we just need to disable them. So go to Menu, press the Home button, go to Settings, then Preferences, and here we need to go to Private Settings and turn off Device Usage Data. Then of course turn off the collection of app usage data and turn off interest-based ads. Then also go to Data Usage Monitoring and turn it off. You do not really need it, but Amazon is using it to track your actions, to know what you're really doing with your Fire Stick. Then go to Featured Content, and actually you can disable the video autoplay and audio autoplay here. It's going to lower the load on your Amazon Fire Stick CPU, and hopefully it will work faster after that. So if you don't really need the autoplay feature, then just disable it. If you don't know what autoplay is that when you are in the main menu, here at the top is going to play some random trailers to movies and series. To me it's even annoying, so I totally disabled it. Now it only shows posters of the movies. If it annoys you as well, then just disable the autoplay and your experience with Amazon Fire TV Stick is just going to become way better. So those were my favorite ways on speeding up an Amazon Fire TV Stick. If the video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and of course sub my channel for more tutorials on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Have a good one.